Question number 9. This one is giving us a graph with time marked on the x-axis and height in meters on the y-axis, and time is in seconds on the x-axis. And the question says, a competitive diver dives from a platform into the water. The graph shown gives the height above the water y in meters of the diver x seconds after diving from the platform. So what is the best interpretation of the x-intercept of the graph? X-intercept of the graph is the point at which the graph is going to touch the x-axis. So now it's given that the graph shows the height above the water y in meters of the diver x seconds after diving from a platform. The x-intercept of the graph is a point at which the graph intersects the x-axis, or when the value of y is 0. So when y is 0, then only we get the x-intercept. The graph shown intersects the x-axis between x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So it is between these 2 points. In other words, the diver is 0 meters above the water or hits the water between 1 and 2 seconds after diving from the platform. And what shall we select? So of the given choices, A says the diver reaches a maximum height above the water at 1.6 seconds. But we are talking about the x-intercept. Maximum height will be shown by the y coordinate. So 1.6 seconds, it is not reaching the maximum height at 1.6. In fact, he is coming and touching the ground now, right? He is reaching back the water. The graph is showing the height above the water in y meters. So after 1.6 seconds around, the height is not maximum height. So A is not correct. The diver hits the water at 1.6 seconds. That means that is correct. And why is C incorrect? The diver reaches the maximum height above the water at 0.2 seconds. So 0.2 seconds, maybe the diver does reach at 0.2 seconds, but we need the best interpretation of the x-intercept of the graph. Choice C is incorrect. This is the best interpretation of the maximum value, not the x-intercept. So maximum value, what it is, that interpretation C is. And D says the diver hits the water at 0.2 seconds. That's not correct. He is not reaching the water at 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds will be somewhere here. But here it is above 1 point something, between 1 and 2, which is 1.6. So the best answer is B. The diver hits the water at 1.6 seconds.